Doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So, first thing, if you want to see me install this wig, that link will be in the description below. But this is just gonna be the review part of this wig. So, yeah, let's get into the review. So, this hair is from Beauty Forever. This is a 10-inch bob, and this wig is $63. So, this wig is 130 density Brazilian straight virgin hair, 100% human. And yes, the bob is a lace front. So, yeah, and I dyed this hair. It was completely the natural color black, this black right here. And then I just put some brown on top, kind of a highlightish. So, yeah. So, inside the box came the bag, some lashes, some wig caps, and then it came with this scarf, like Christmas scarf. Even though the holidays are over, it's still cute. And then it came with a pamphlet. So the details of the cap, it has a clip, 2 clips on the side, it has a clip in the back, and it also does have a lace in the back. I didn't cut it. As you can see, it has a adjustable strap in the back also. And then the lace is not all the way, it comes part, like this how much lace is on the side, but then this how much lace is in the middle. So it's more lace in the middle, so it's really a middle part, but I have a side part right now. The lace is really natural. I did bleach knots and I did pluck it, so you guys can see what it looks like up close. Pretty, really natural. It looks really good. I like it. So with shedding and tangling, I don't get any tangling, but I did get some shedding when I dyed the hair. It wasn't a lot, but I did receive some, so just know that. So like I said, this is a 10-inch bob, so it is about right here. If I straighten it completely, it's about right there. So this is pretty cute. The hair is pretty nice. Can't really show you, but yeah, that's how it looks. So that is it for this review video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you do want to see me install the wig, like I said, that is in the link down below. Here's some Beauty Forever. I really do like it. $63 and the change. So yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember to hit that bell so you know when I post again. And yeah, bye guys.
Wait for your boss, don't be late, no.